Yo guys, B2Y Vlogs here. This is day 2, episode 4. Here, I'm here at the, coastal maybe. I'm here at the ship already. Sorry I didn't record my, my whole travel. So here, I'll show you the sea. Oh, there's boats already here. Oh my gosh, joking, just kidding. So this is for my brother. He's in Marikina still. My dad's here, just there. For crew only. So yeah, I need to stop this video here first. I'm just gonna record it if I'm already there. So bye guys. Okay, I'm already here. Already down here. Yeah, so I'm back. You see that, guys? I'm still here. I need to wait for my ninong. So I'm gonna go to the waterfalls. The infinity falls. Into infinity, guys. Yeah, so I'll be back. Just wait. Yep, guys, I think I'm already here. Guys, look at this waterfalls. I'm seriously. Just look at this, guys. Just look. Oh my god, it's really big. So let's just take a walk. Yeah. If you can't hear me, it's okay. I'm gonna shout. So let's just walk. Yes, I am still walking. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Even there, see? Oh my god, it's really beautiful. I'm here at Mindoro now. So let's just walk. Oh my gosh. Where am I? Oh my gosh, I'm really far. So there's a big rock or a boulder. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, sorry. Guys, that noise is from the waterfall. So yeah, so let's go up. Let's go up, bros. They're up. Day 2, episode 4. Oh my god. And alright, it's beautiful. Best trip I've ever had. Okay, this is the best trip I've ever had. Oh my god, this is really dangerous. I should have not do this. Oh, the water is really cold. Oh my god, bro. Yeah. There's moss, bro. And the water is color blue. It's really good, guys. Oh my god. Yup, it's really beautiful. I love Mindoro. I love you, Philippines. You're the best. So let's go back. That's the best trash can I've ever saw. Yeah. Yup, the tree is really tall. Really tall. If there's a coconut, it could bump my head, bro. Oh, it's already been 4 minutes, so let's go. Yeah, it's my dad. I just waved my hand to him. So let's go walk, walk. Yes, my legs are really tired now. Oh, yes, I'm dancing. So yes, I'm really shouting. So let's look down. Oh God. So let's try to go to the water. So let's get Gatorade first. Even the floor is with water.